Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how to make a snake gourd stir fry. This snake gourd stir fry is very easy and simple to make. To make this recipe, take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Once the oil heats up, add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add another half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add a little urad dal and a sprig of curry leaves and a quarter teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. This is homemade hing powder. This is very flavorful. If you want to see how this is made, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check that out. And then I'm adding 6 red chillies, dried red chillies. You can add these red chillies depending on how much spice you need for this stir fry. I added 6. You can add a little less also if you want. Now stir all these ingredients in the oil. Let it fry for a few seconds in the oil. After this, add 1 finely chopped onion. Add a little salt to the onions and saute this till the onion becomes nice and golden brown. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for these onions to turn nice and golden brown. This is after 3 minutes of sauteing the onions. Now it's nice and golden brown. Next we'll add the snake gourd. I have used about 4 medium-sized snake gourd. Chop it into fine pieces and then add it in. This snake gourd will not take a long time to cook, and especially if you've chopped it into small pieces like this, it will cook very quickly. It will take only about 7 to 8 minutes to cook. I usually don't add any water while cooking my stir fries. I keep the flame at low and cover the dish and cook for at least 5 minutes. In between you can open and keep stirring it now and then. This will give you a very tasty stir fry. So this is after 6 minutes of cooking. Once I opened it, I tasted it and I felt it needed a little more chili powder. So I have added half a teaspoon of chili powder. You don't have to add this if you don't want a spicy dish. You can add some coriander powder as well. So mix this along with the snake gourd and cook for another 3 minutes. Before we finish the dish, add a little bit of coconut. I am adding about 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Sometimes I don't add coconut to my stir fry, but if you add the coconut, it gives a very nice taste and flavor to your stir fry. Add the coconut and cook only for 1 or 2 minutes. That's more than enough. Mix everything well together and then after about 2 minutes switch off the flame. So this is it. Our simple and easy snake gourd stir fry is done. It's very easy and simple to make. It goes very well with any kind of South Indian rice recipes. We usually have it with any kind of rasam rice or Colombo rice. It tastes really good. Until next time. Bye-bye.